How to use Instagram without signing in. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to browse Instagram content without creating or logging into an account on iOS or Android. Here, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you can head over and open Safari. If you're having Android, you can open Chrome or any other search engine. And then you're going to search for a specific website. For example, I'm going to search for Cristiano and then you're going to write down Instagram. So after that, you're going to long press on any of the page. For example, this is the page that I wish to open. So you're going to long press on it and then you're going to click on open in new tab. So once you do so, you'll be able to see that you have been redirected to the page, and you can simply click on any picture and you can enjoy watching Instagram pictures. So that is basically how you can use Instagram without signing in. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.